Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats. I'm laughing because Smudge is right here. He's in my way for turning on my ring light and camera and everything. I have my Allure for December, and let's see what's in here. I did see a couple of spoilers. I cut this open. I didn't really see much, didn't pay attention to much of the spoilers, but let's see what's in here. They always give you a few little brochures. They have a little booklet about what's in here, and then they have a fragrance box for men on their website. They have a fragrance box for women. These are limited edition boxes that you can buy if you're a member. So, and then when you take out the brochure and things, you've got your little tissue here. And then let's see what's in here. Okay, all right. This is the brochure. Let's see. It says order by December 15th for 11:59 p.m. Pacific time for Christmas delivery. I guess. Well, that's great if they can get these gifts out, because they do have these nice packages available. That's a really nice one, that men's package. Anyway, so let's see. This brochure is not very thick. You know, they've been doing versions, but I'm pretty sure that December, probably because they're just busy, they just decided not to do versions this time. Because I don't, oh yeah, maybe I do see one. Hang on. It does say 12/22 version 3. It's so teensy tiny. I thought maybe they didn't do a version, but they did. Okay, so let's see what we've got. I see a few things in here. All right, there's a couple other little things there. This says transform your skin while you sleep. This is a sample of a product called Emu Aid. Emu Aid. It is a sample. It's a first aid ointment. Okay. Okay. I've never heard of it. They've been around since 2011, it says. That's a sample. Whoops. Sample product. And then there is, I'm not sure if this is, all right, this is, what are you doing, Smudge? This is in our brochure. So this is by Milk Makeup. Hydro Grip Primer. That's what this is here. And it's in this kind of a perfume, kind of a tube thing. Let's take it out and see what it looks like. Oh, it's so pretty looking. It looks very refreshing. The color is pretty. There's Milk Makeup. It's a little spritz bottle. Hydro Grip Primer. So it says that a full size of this would be $36. And of course, you know, this is just a deluxe sample. 1 squirt applied over the last step of your skincare routine. Sunscreen, right, absorbs quickly. Wait 1 minute before applying your makeup. Okay, so you do it after your skincare. Then you do your skincare, do your sunscreen, and then you do this, and then it'll hold your makeup on. So interesting. It looks nice. It just looks refreshing, probably because of the color. So okay, Smudge, he's playing. All right, owie. He likes to bite when he plays. He's a biter. You're a biter, Smudge. All right, hang on. I lost my place in the book. Okay, next we have this. This looks like maybe the big ticket item in the box. The box is very skinny for December. These are some nails, static nails. And these are press-on style nails. They're very pretty. Reusable pop-on manicures. Reusable. Very interesting. They are a curved shape, and see they're like a French manicure, slightly different than a French manicure. And it says you reuse them, so there's a couple of different sizes. You probably can trim them a little bit to fit. Reusable. So okay. Why you'll love it. In one 15-minute application, you get that fresh from the nail salon look with press-ons that have won Allure Best of Beauty. So that's very nice. These are priced at $22. And, all right. It says add an even layer of glue to the back of each press-on. I can't do glue. So this right here is going to go into our Christmas treasure hunt. Okay. Nails. Okay, next up, we've got just, we're supposed to have 3 full-size things and 3 deluxe samples. So that's a full size. Here's another full size item. Now this, I do like this. This is the brand Curate. I like that brand. This is a dry shampoo with oil control. It says for oily, dark hair. I don't have dark hair, so I don't know if that means it's going to have some residue in it. So I don't know if I'm going to use it. But that would definitely be a full size item. Let's see what the pricing is. It's $20 value. And it says checks every one of your dry shampoo must-haves. It makes roots look and feel clean, never stiff or gunky, and it doesn't weigh down fine hair. So that sounds good for me, and it's totally invisible, even in dark hair. Okay, that's why it says it's for, okay, because some people complain about dry shampoos that they leave a residue. So lighter haired people like me can use them without seeing a residue, where dark haired people cannot. So anybody can use this, even dark haired people. So great to know. And I'm excited to try that. $20. Wow. Okay, so that is a full size. And then this might be a full size, this paw thing. This is an overnight lip mask. So that probably is full size. It's very hard to see because of the shine of it. It's that Dr. Paw. So P-A-W, we've heard of him before. And it says, contrary to its name, the soft glow this balm imparts is way too pretty to wear only at night. Smooth some on before bed to head off chapping and reapply for a flattering sheen throughout the day. So $10.50 for a 0.8 ounce tube, which I can't see the sizing on here. Yeah, this is it. No, this is 0.33. Okay, it's not full size. So I'm not finding my full size items. Not sure what's going on. Okay, next up is, this must be full size, because it would have to be. All right, whatever this is, it's heavy, and I can't read it. It's heavy, it's white on beige. Okay, it says by Rosie Jane. It's heavy. Let's open it up and see. It says Rosie on the end. Okie dokie. It looks like a perfume. It is Rosie by Rosie Jane, and it is a perfume oil. And $45 for 0.23 ounce. And smudge is sitting on my, this is full size. Okay, this is full size. So it's valued at $45. Okay, so it's a roll-on. Oh, it's not bad. It's very clean. It's one of those really clean, like you just came out of the shower smells. Swipe the roller ball over your pulse points, wrist, sides of the neck for a fragrance that stays close while you wear it. Resist your urge to rub your wrists together after applying, which can actually change the structure. Really? I do that every time I put on perfume. Spritz, spritz. That's what I do. Who knew? Oh, it smells good, y'all, but I don't know that it's for me. It's nice. It's just real clean. You know, who doesn't like to smell clean? But it smells like you just got out of the shower. I like that, but I don't really wear a lot of perfumes. But it's a nice roller ball. It's very pretty little packaging. Full size, $45. All right, so that is my Allure box. So you're guaranteed, the Allure box is $23 a month. I got the Black Friday deal, so I paid about $18 for each box, like $18.07 or $18.04, something like that. You're guaranteed to get 3 full-size products and 3 deluxe samples. And sometimes you get extra. Sometimes you get a bonus or so. And so this is a full-size item, the perfume. And I like it. Just thinking about it. Thinking about it. I think I know somebody that wears this. The nails are full-size. And the dry shampoo is full size. And then we have the deluxe samples. Oh, I missed something. Okay. I missed something in this is the Mario Badescu Skincare Vitamin C Serum. Now, we get a lot of things from them. Also, it's a great brand. It's a great skincare brand. This is the tiniest thing ever, y'all. I mean, this is not, I wouldn't call this a deluxe sample. But anyway, this is a cute little dropper bottle. Cute, cute, cute. I will use that. So let's just open it and see. It's a vitamin C. It's a little dropper bottle. It's the cutest thing ever. Cute little dropper bottle. There's a little, it's just looks like water. It doesn't have a scent, which is nice, you know. It's a little oily feeling. It has a little bit of a scent. Not sure what, but I'll use that. That is not, I wouldn't call that a deluxe sample, would you? Anyway, so my 3 full sizes are these items, and then my deluxe samples are these items. And then remember, we did get this extra sample. We did get an extra. We got this Emu Aid, which usually on the back of the brochure it tells you about it, but this doesn't. But there's a lot of information in here. This says that it performs miracles from head to toe, and that it is for, where did I read that it was for, it's a first aid ointment. So that's nice to have, you know, even to carry with you if you ever get hurt or something, you don't need a little something. So all in all, a decent box, you know, not the best box I've ever had, but like I said, this box costs $23 a month. That does include shipping. And we got, you know, $45 value, $20 value. Was this 20 or 22? Something like that. So when you say nails, you're going to get this as well. Okay. So that is for the treasure hunt. Okay. Anyway, thanks for stopping by and seeing my December Allure. And usually they, you know, hit off January with a bang. So we'll see how that goes. And thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. Good to see you.